All right, we're working with equivalent fractions, which means equal to. We want to find out what the missing numerator is up here in order for this fraction to be equivalent to this fraction. So 14 over 20 is equal to something over 30. How do we make them equal? Well, this one's a bit of a tricky one. So let's go through the steps. The first thing we want to do is start off with the unknown area, which is here. And if it's the top right, we go to the opposite diagonal. So that means if we're top right, we go bottom left, right over here. So if we go to bottom left, we ask ourselves, what do I need to do that 20 to make it 30? Now, I can't multiply 20 or divide 20 by anything in order to get 30, because 20 doesn't go into 30. So what do? Well, then what we do is we simplify this particular fraction. So we turn that, what we do is we want to change that 20 into a 10. So I'm going to divide this by 2. And if I divide the bottom by 2, I divide the top by 2. So now this becomes what? It becomes 14 divided by 2, 7 over 20 divided by 2, which is 10. Now 7 over 10 is the same as 14 over 20. So let's drag and drop these guys down here. So we got the circle up here, and we got 30 down below. Nothing's changed, that's still the same, except we just halved the top and bottom and turned it into 7 out of 10. Why did we do the half again? Because you know what? That 10 divides into 30 now. We can do something with it. So let's go through the process again. We're looking for the unknown numerator. So we go to the diagonal bottom left down here, because we start top right, bottom left. And we look at that 10 and we say, what do I need to do to that 10 to make it 30? We need to multiply, not divide, right? So we need to multiply 10 by what in order to get 30? Times by 3. 3 times 10 is 30. So if I multiply the bottom by 3, I also need to multiply the top by 3. Times by 3. 3 times 7 is what? 21. There you go. So 7 over 10 is the same as 21 over 30, which is the same as 14 over 20. So let me just write 14 over 20 equals 14 over 20 is the same as 7 over 10, which is the same as 21 over 30. They're all equivalent, they're all the same, they're all equal. There you go. Hope that helps.